bro, champ. Hi guys, today we brought my favorite Lego set. I'm going to be showing you Diagon Alley, Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. The Lego set, it took me 2 days to finish. Okay, so this has 834 pieces. Ron Weasley, Fred Weasley, and George Weasley. Aloe Post Worker, Lavender Brown. But it took me 2 days, and here's the finishing progress. Here you go. Perfect stickering. Look inside. If you get right down in that crack, you can see Wheezes. Or if you're just a genius, you can just flip it over. Here's the full Wheezes. And if I get 20,000 subscribers, I'll get new merch, and I will promise I will actually drop this guy right now. Flexible. We're gonna have 3 different play features, characters, and drumroll, please. How fun it is. So category number 1, play features. So, and also you can drop up from up here. You can put this in here. Or if you're a genius, you can do this. That's the play feature for the male person. And this is, and this has 3 stickers in the build as a fact. So, the characters are the postman worker and the assistant. Okay, there is a play feature in here, but I wouldn't really play with it. It's not really much of a play feature. This, you can do this. Okay, category number 2, the characters. So we have, you can all see them on the cover. So we have this one, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. This guy one doesn't count, but this girl, this girl, this girl. Oh, and as a fact, you don't have to put them together. Yeah, I can't get it off, but yes, this can come apart if you're interested. And if you're a Harry Potter fan, comment down. Subscribe. Subscribe if you like Harry Potter. So what we need to do is there. Much better. So after that, we're going to be showing you. It was really fun to build. You can also buy it too if you're a sticker lover. Okay, and after that, so we have Instant Darkness Powder, Electric Shock Shake. Here's really something I really want to do. Okay, please like and subscribe if you like this. I love this. No, you don't. I deserve myself. This is Weasley's, not Brabby's. Oh, my hand broke off. Let me call the editor. There. So get out of here. Here's the best play feature I ever seen. This. There. Flexible. Yes, he's now stopped puking, but I'm going to change that. Puking pistols. So I'm getting all the characters. This may take a few minutes, and I can show you where to put them. Okay, here's all the characters. Lined up. So we have all of these characters. Like if you like any of these characters, and subscribe if you like this character. So you see this guy? You want to put him right here, right next to this shelf. And you want to see this girl, you want to put her, just put it right here next to Ron. Put her right next to Ron and boom. See this girl? You would recommend just putting her, open the door. There. Put the one that has the W on it. The W character that has the W. Please. Ta-da. So after that, we can put this guy on. Do you see this girl? So you see this girl? You should put her leg out like this. like one of her hands, the right hand, carried this much. These books. Flip over, like you see. I'll fix that in a few, guys. So what you want to do, you want to like leave a trail or don't have to. You don't have to. So just make it look like she's going to Owl City. And you see Ron here. You should put him all the way back. So you put there. He's on the sticky trainers. If I said it right, it's right here. You see this guy, recommend putting to his brother like right here. And you see this girl, put her like right here and flip it around real fast and just let me do it. So, and also, if you're wondering if this actually moves in the movie, ta-da, now you know. Oh, and also like and subscribe if you love this build, and also like and subscribe if you love Harry Potter. So, well, because we're done, and it's hard to say, but bye, guys. I love you. I love you, my subscribers. Bye.